Bitcoin just having a big correction from 24,300 and now Bitcoin is 22,300. Same like Ethereum. Ethereum went until 681 and now it's about 600 US dollar. Is Bitcoin is really a hedge against the inflation. Crypto long and short, Bitcoin is more than a hedge against inflation. It's a hedge against crazy happening all over the world. The graph token serves as a baby of exchange at the cryptocurrency. Dogecoin jumps 20% after Musk's Twitter shout out Bitcoin joke and only said one word, Doge. If you want to see this kind of similar news and Bitcoin technical analysis, so let's check this video out. Okay, so let's start with crypto fear and greed index. It's still 92. It's extreme greed. Everything is up and people want that the crypto will more go up. As I'm saying in my previous videos that you always have to keep an eye on that. Okay, so now we have coin market cap and here you can see that the market is about down about 6%. Bitcoin is right now trading at 22,262 to be precise, and it's about down 5%. And if we go and see like Ethereum is also down about 8%, Litecoin is down about 12%, Chainlink, Cardano, and all the bigger currencies are down quite a lot. Is this a time to buy something? Oh yes, always do buy dollar cost average, and there is always a chance people was wanted to buy Bitcoin when it was 24,000, but nobody want to buy when it is 22,000. So I think you just have to dollar cost average and buy the Bitcoin and Ethereum whenever there is a dip. And also about many other, because there is a all season going on. Stellar is down 10%. And if you want to believe in some kind of good projects like Filecoin and some other like VeChain and Aave, I think this is a time to accumulate and save also for Bitcoin. But my first advice is always for the newbie is to buy Bitcoin. Doesn't matter if you buy for $50 or if you buy for $5,000. Just buy Bitcoin. This is a time when it's going down, not when it's going up. Okay, so let's now have some technical analysis of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and also guys, if you haven't watched my Femex tutorial, it's over there on my crypto guide channel. Go and check, and I explain how to long and short Bitcoin only in 10 minutes. Okay, so let's start with Bitcoin US dollar 1 day chart, and here you can see that Bitcoin having some correction at the moment, and we already down about 2000 from its all-time high. The all-time high was about 24,400 and now we have 22,500. Is this a correction everybody was talking about, or is this a correction that people was afraid of? And I was saying you guys that definitely there will be a time come when it will come and rebound from 20 weekly moving average, which is about 20,500 at the moment. And I firmly believe that if there is a correction coming, or if this is a correction, the Bitcoin can easily come under 20,500. This would be my bearish target on 1 day. And if we go on 4 day chart, we have already broke 20 weekly moving average with 23,155. And if the bears have to defend them, the bears is getting more, and if bulls have to defend them, it should come and hit again 23,200. So this is the bearish and bullish target at the moment. And if we go and check on 1 hour chart, we have already been broke, and we can see some moving averages crossover. Is it the that close? And here you can see that RSI is going down. We can have a big little bit pump and then we can correct it again, and we are moving sideways exactly in this 2 weekly moving average, and we have exactly come on the 2172. And if we go on 2 hour chart, you can also see that we are practically rebounded from 21,864. And on 4 hour chart we already been broke that one. And on 1 day chart, so it's 1 2 3 and 4 hour chart, it looks like a little bit bearish at the moment. and on 1 day chart you can easily come and hit 20,500. So this is a time to buy Bitcoin. This is a time to accumulate because you don't have to wait. You never know, Bitcoin will just go top from there, but mostly I think this is turning into a bearish scenario for a short term, and Bitcoin can easily come at 20,000 or 21,000, and I think this is a time to accumulate. So I already told you about my bearish and bullish target. Let's keep an eye on these target. And if you want to looking for a rebound entry position for leverage, I think this is the best point to go in. So okay, now we have some technical analysis of Ethereum US dollar 1 day chart, and here you can see that we are sitting just on 20 weekly moving average on 1 day, and we have perfectly come until 598, and from there we have a rebound. And if we go on 4 hour chart, we can already see that the bearish diversion is coming in and we are going down a bit, and we can easily come until 570. But if we go on 1 hour chart, oh, we are already down. There can be a death cross coming soon if we are keep going down. 2 hour chart is also the same thing. We are just bouncing between the average area, you can see that, but if we broke this one, definitely we are going down from 600. And on 4 hour chart we are also sitting on the last one, so this is also a bearish diversion, and if bulls have to defend, they have to come and fight back and take 640. If not, we are going down. On 1 day chart, I think this is a good opportunity to forgo long, but keep in your mind to have a strict stop loss, so in case if it fell down more, we can bear that one. So I think this is a good time to go for long, and we have to keep an eye on Ethereum at 600. But everything is bullish. This is just a bearish diversion in bull run, which is totally common and predicted as it was correction was coming. Okay, now we have some crypto news which are quite interesting and new. Crypto long and short, Bitcoin is more than a hedge against inflation. It's a hedge against crazy. As the year that felt like a decade on speed starts to draw to a welcome close, some of us are starting to try make sense of the pipeline. And here you can see the deflation debate, because Bitcoin have only 21 million market cap, which cannot be changed, and inflation has thus that really matter for Bitcoin. Bitcoin is seen as inflation hedge mainly because of its limited supply, because it's very limited. A dollar debasement hedge. Bitcoin is also hedge against a more gentle but a debasement of currency through a loss of trust, because dollar is going down. All the fiat money will go down sooner or later. The crazy thesis, the highlights another hidden strength of Bitcoin as an investment. People want to save their money, and this is the interesting graph which I like to show. Like Bitcoin in 7 days is up 26%, monthly 16%, and yearly 270%. And you can compare S&P 500, Nasdaq, gold, and even long bond, which is not even near to the Bitcoin. Okay, the other news right now, we have the graph token sold and a baby of exchange at the cryptocurrency. As everybody knows, it's a new token came, GRT, and it started from zero and now it's already been 0.67. I mean, it's going crazy because it has been added by Coinbase, Qcoin, OXE, Kraken, and Binance, and people are just have who have invest are early investment really are getting almost like 425% in last 3 days. And similar kind of news is from the Dogecoin, I mean, which is a meme coin. Dogecoin jumps 20% after most Twitter shout out, and it was just started as a joke, and one word was written by Elon Musk was Doge, and after that you can see a crazy pump. It was going there, and then it's already been up 20%. I mean, these kind of things can happen of former CEO of Dogecoin. I don't know if it's a meme or it has been hacked by somebody, but at the end of the day, the Dogecoin is above, and people are also speculating that the Dogecoin can go above 1%. I mean, you never know. You just have to hold your bag and just have to wait to pump, and it's never know how far and how big it's going. But same for the Bitcoin and Graph token, but you also have to be careful like investing in this new kind of tokens, because you never know when it's going down. As soon as it can up, it can also go down. But Bitcoin and Ethereum, I mean, these are the two cryptocurrency which I believe in, and definitely 90% in Bitcoin because of its limited cap. It will stay, and it definitely stay for next 10 years, and it can definitely act like guess the hedge and also a good store of value. So I think that's all for today. So until that, keep safe, keep buying, keep stacking, and bye bye.